Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kendamas for Grandmas. In this video we're going to look at a combination of tricks that I call the poke roll. Now this requires us to practice various tricks and then tie them together, but it's a pretty lovely flowing combination. So first let's look at the entire trick and then we'll break it down into its component parts. Poke roll looks like this. Poke roll. It begins with the half yo-yo. And let's look at how we do that move. From the half yo-yo, we go to a trick that I call elevator, where we're actually holding onto the string and guiding the tama onto the cup. Elevator looks like this. Next in poke roll, we go from the cup to an arm roll. And then the tama slides to the outside of the arm and we catch it again on the cup. That's arm roll with the tama coming down our arm, dropping on the string, and getting caught back on the cup. Arm roll looks like this. And to finish poke roll, we go from the big cup to a Sarado catch. Sarado catch, a move that I did in an earlier video and you've probably been practicing. From the Sarado, we throw the tama up very lightly into a Sarado Spike. So that looks like this. And that's it for poke roll. Those are a lot of moves. They can be done individually, and that's probably the best way to practice them. And then gradually try to string them together and see if you can put the entire combination poke roll into one flowing move. It's challenging, but I think you're ready for it. Have fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Click clack.